All right, as soon as you sign in, please go to settings at the very far left bottom and update all this information, business info, your email, your company website, your time zone. Um, also, record a voicemail and upload it here as an MP3. Just record it on your cell phone, and then do enable this. This will have your location name, which is going to be your business name. So if it mine says demo account, it will say, "Hi, this is demo account. I saw that we missed your call. How can I help you?" Everybody else is going to receive this. Whoever tries to call the Twilio number, you can send a test for yourself to test this. But we will need to enable Twilio messaging, text messaging before you could do that.